Alright guys, welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how to check the password from the Wi-Fi network you're connected to or how to share it with other people. It's a very simple process that is available on any model of iPhones and any version of iOS. Okay, so first thing you need to do is to find the settings app on your iPhone. You want to tap on it once, just like that. Now here you want to find the Wi-Fi tab. Here you can see it on my phone. I want to tap on it. Here you can see that I am connected to one of the networks right now. Now what you want to do is to tap on this information button in the right side of our screen. Now we tap on it once, you can see the password is here, but it is hidden behind the wall. Okay, so if we tap on it once, it will reveal the password after we enter our iPhone passcode to view password. Okay, so I will do it right now. And here you can see the password. And now you would be even able to connect to my Wi-Fi network at my home if you were here. Okay, so this is how it is being done. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your help is greatly appreciated.